Welcome students, I am Utpal Adhikari. Today I will start exercise 4.3 of class 9 linear equation in two variables. Okay. Today we will solve sum number 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. The sum number 2, give two equation of lines which passing through the point 2, 4, passing through the point 2, 4. And second question is how many more such lines are there and why? Okay. Now I am solving here the question number 2. First of all, through this point 2, 14, that is x equal to 2 and y equal to 14. Okay. We have to write two equations such that the equation is passing through the equation of lines are passing through these 2 points. So x equal to 2 and y equal to 14. So we can take x plus y equal to 16. That is a linear equation of two variable power 1 two variable x and y. Another equation is x minus y equal to minus 12. We can take these two lines. Okay, I think these two line equations are most easy equations. Okay, so two lines are x plus y equal to 16 and x minus y equal to minus. You can take another way, that is 2x plus y. 2x plus y, that is 2 to the 4, 2, 14, that is 18. That is another equation. Okay, so I am taking the first one and second one. Two equation, x plus y equal to 16 and 2x plus y equal to 18. That is the second equation. Now second question, how many more such lines are there? Answer is infinite. Why it is infinite? In the lower class we have learned that through a point infinite number of lines can be drawn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, in this way, through this point we can draw an infinite numbers of lines. So there are infinite number of lines which are passing through the 2, 14 points. Okay. Now next question, that is if the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y equal to ay plus 7. That is not 3y, I think 3x or y. That is y equal to ax plus 7. 3y equal to ax plus 7. Okay. So find the equation, that is 3y equal to x plus 7. If the point 3, 4 lies on the graph, on the graph 3y equal to x plus 7. First of all, this is a linear equation in two variables, so it is a line, straight line. It represents a straight line. Any point lies on the line, it means that point is the solution of the equation 3y, of the equation of that line. Okay, so it is the 3, 4, it is the solution of this line, and I have discussed in the previous videos that what is solution. Solution means if I put that is x and y, if I put x equal to 3 and y equal to 4, that is value of x and y in the equation, left hand side should be equal to right hand side. So by putting x 3 and 4 in place of x and y, both left hand side, that is left hand side, and that is right hand side, this should be equal. So 3 into 4 equal to, sorry, 3 into 4 equal to a into 3 plus 7. So 12 equal to 3a plus 7, that is 12 minus 7 equal to 3a, that is 5 by 3. So value of a equal to 5 by 3. If you are asked why you can put this 3, 4 in this line, because that line, that point lies on that line. In another way, this is the solution of the equation. That's why we can put. Otherwise, we can't put this value of x and y in this equation. So copy it. Coming to the question number 4, the taxi fare in a city is for the first kilometer is rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance it is rupees 5 kilometer, rupees 5 per kilometer. Okay, taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare is y, draw a graph, write a linear equation, and draw the graph. With that information, in this case this sum is related to the taxi fare and the distance. Okay, with that information you have to make a linear equation, and also that equation represented in the graph. That means we have to draw a line. So first of all, it is given that you have to take the distance, that is this left here, sorry, here distance covered is x kilometer, and total fare, that is rupees y. For the first 1 kilometer, that is for the first initially for the first kilometer, that is rupees 8. It means after 1 kilometer remaining distance is x minus 1 kilometer. Okay, so total distance x kilometer and total fare, that is fare for that is total fare equal to fare of first kilometer, then fare of x minus 1 kilometer. Okay, so total fare y, fare of first kilometer, that is 8, and fare of the remaining x minus 1 kilometer, that is rupees 5. So 5 into x minus 1, that is y equal to 8 plus 5x minus 5. So y equal to 8, that is 3 plus 5x. Okay, it is the linear equation, that y equal to y equal to 5x plus 3. It is the linear equation and we should draw that graph on the graph paper. Okay, now the equation is y equal to 5x plus 3. So we know that for drawing a line, we should follow some step. That first step, that is here already done. Y is expressed in terms of x. Second step, make the table, that is x and y. If put x equal to 0, then you get y equal to 3. X equal to 1, you get 5 into 1, 5 plus 3, 8. X equal to 2, 10, 13. Okay. So points are 0, 3, 1, 8, 2, 13. Now plot that point on the graph paper. Okay, this is the x-axis and y-axis and y. Now first point is 0, 3. 0, 3 means, sorry, that point. Second point is 1, 8. Third point is 2, 13. Now I have plotted 3 points and plotting the fourth step, just add them with the help of scale. Line AB, so that line AB is the required graph of that equation. Line AB is the required graph of the equation y equal to 5x plus 3. Okay. Now question number 5, student, I am giving you homework of question number 5. So solve, that is homework. Question number 5 is the homework. Now move on to question number 6. The question number 6, that it is given that the work done, if the work done by a body on application of a constant force that is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body, and express this in the form of an equation in 2 variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 unit and also read from the graph the work done when distance traveled by 2 unit and 0 unit. So question is, the constant force is 5 unit. Okay, but students, before we solve the problem, we need to learn what is work done. In class 9 physics syllabus, I think most probably chapter number 4 or 5, the work done chapter is there. Now what is work done? Work done means work is done by a force if that force is applied to an object and object traveled a distance, then it is said that work is said to be done. It means if the related box is there, if you apply F amount of force on that body and it moves S distance, then work done is F dot S. You can take it X F cross or F into X. That is the definition of work done. That is the definition of work done. Work done means if you apply a force on a body and body moves a distance s, then work done equal to F into s. That is the difference. So here it is given that F is constant. F is constant. So there are two variables, that is W and S. Okay. Now coming back to the question, that is constant force is 5 unit and it is given unit. Okay, and I am taking let distance traveled that equal to x kilometer. Actually it is not distance, it is displacement. Okay, it is displacement, but here it is taken as distance, and work done I am taking this x unit, and work done that is y units. Okay, distance travel x unit and y unit. So we have work done equal to force into displacement. That is the definition of work done. That work done means force into displacement. So work done is taken here y, F equal to 5 and into x, that is y equal to 5x. That is the linear equation of the question 6 using the information of as given in the given question number 6. Now to draw that graph, first we should make the solution table. That is, student, in the previous video I have said that if any kind of typification where C is missing, that the line must pass through the origin. Okay. Now using that point, we should draw the graph. Okay. Now that axis is taken as work done and it is taken as distance. Okay. That is distance. Now x 0, 0, it means that point 1, 5, 2, 10, and 3, 15. Okay, and fourth step, plot the point, join the points. Okay, so that line xy is the required graph of that question number 6. Now two questions are asked here, that if work done is 2 unit, if work done is 2 unit, then work done is if the distance is 2 unit, if the distance is 2 unit, that is work done is 10, and if distance is 0 unit, here and y also has 0, then it is work done 0. Okay, that is in question number 6, that is if work done distance is 2 unit, then work done 10 unit. Distance is 0 unit, work done 0 unit. Okay, this is the required answer. Okay students, in the next video we will solve further question number 7 or 7, 8 or next exercise. Till then, stay at home.